Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video I'm going to talk about the difference between PoC, prototype and MVP. So PoC stands for proof of concept, prototype has no abbreviation, and MVP stands for minimum viable product. So we will go over them step by step. So let's get started. So first thing is PoC or proof of concept. So at this stage we have the theoretical implementation and we discuss whether something that we want to create is it feasible or not. So we check the possibility if let's say you're thinking about doing something or you have a project in your mind, then we will go through our present technology and our practices, and we will see if using any of them we can really achieve that. So it is basically just the thought process, or you can also say brainstorming. So that's what happened in the proof of concept, and when we are clear this can be achieved, then we present the POC to the potential investors, or you can say uh, our initial people that are interested in our idea. So it is the must if you want to do something. So, and in most of the cases it is also the first step. So now let's talk about the prototype. So in the POC we have seen that it is possible. Let's assume the results were in our favor and it can be achieved using certain techniques that are available. So in the prototyping we build the basic prototype so that it is the first practical implementation, or you can say the rough draft of what we can achieve practically. So in the prototype we can show like we have built this and this can do that thing. We can show the functionality basically, and if our prototype was successful and people, or maybe if you are doing it as a company and maybe your potential investors see like this prototype is good, then they might be part of the seed funding round, or maybe an other subsequent funding round if you have already achieved this seed funding. But that's very unlikely that without prototype you get seed funding. And now moving to the next stage, that is the MVP. So MVP stands for minimum viable product, as I have also told earlier. So at this stage our product will have all the essential features. So let's say you're building a text messaging app, and your app can able to like send the message, and then receiver receives the message. So this is the essential and you can say the most basic functionality that you would expect from the project that you're building. So it is the essential thing. So minimum viable product means that we are testing it on the minimum functionality, and later if your MVP is successful, then you can later add another features, like if we have sent a message, then it should also show the status, whether the message has been delivered or the message has been read, and if it was delivered, at what time it was delivered, and if it was read, then at what time it was read. You can add another features on the top of the MVP, but MVP gets you started when you want to launch your product in the market. So some people also prefer to call it as the beta stage. So your product is still in the experimental state and you are testing it on a smaller group of people before releasing it to the mass public. So this basically summarizes all the things that are related to POC, prototype and MVP. Hope you have found this video insightful, and if you have loved watching this video, then please like it, and if you do not like this video, then you can also dislike it if that's still the feature of the YouTube. But I think they have removed that feature in their recent updates. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day or night, whatever it is at your place, and thank you again.